We are here in Somajiguda Malabar Gold and Diamond Showroom, and today we are here to and proudly and happily inform that for our customers who have been supporting us, who have been encouraging us all these years with their patronage, to facilitate them with better space, more designs, more collections. We have added one more floor in Somajiguda showroom as well as our Kukatpalli showroom today. And we have added our collections in daily wear, party wear, office wear, bridal wear, men's jewelry, diamond jewelry, platinum jewelry, silver jewelry and articles. All these collections we have added our stocks to enhance the shopping experience in a better way for our customers, in a world-class shopping experience, and sticking to our USP of quality and transparency and lifetime service to our customers. So this is what has been our strength, which our customers, all the customers have been appreciating. And we will continue to give that kind of service, enhancing the world-class service to all our customers. And coming this nearing is the Akshaya Tritiya, which is happening on 12th and 13th of May. So Akshaya Tritiya, as all of us know, is the most auspicious day in a year, especially for we South Indians, to celebrate with prosperity. And celebrate and welcome the prosperity by buying gold, by owning some new gold in terms of ornaments. So to encourage this and to support and to facilitate to our customers in terms of collections, in terms of jewelry, we have made ourselves ready by adding this new floor and also by new stocks. In all collections we have added. Apart from that, we are offering some advance booking offer for Akshaya Tritiya till 12th of May for customers to comfortably select their jewelry in advance, so that in Akshaya Tritiya day, due to the rush hours, they should not be disappointed of not getting their choices jewelry. So we have given advance booking facility, and for advance booking we are giving silver coin free. So just as a gesture of attraction to the customers for this festive season, we have added this offer, which is till 12th May, and we have already seen good response. And hopefully we will be able to do a very good performance and show and satisfy all our customers for this season and also for the ongoing marriage season. And we have been catering to all kinds of jewelries, right from daily wear. In terms of weight, we have a jewelry from 2-3 grams. A necklace of 500 grams is also there in display here. Specialties are basically the bridal wear, what we have for the marriage brides of all communities. We have started a new property 2 years back called Brides of India. Basically, this Brides of India campaign or property is to impart or reflect the cultures of India. Our Indian culture is so diversified, so vast culture we have. So to showcase that, marriage is one common platform in all our communities. But then the depiction of that culture, marriage, is in a different way. Each community performs marriage in a different way of their own. We wanted to showcase that to all people across the country. So we have started Brides of India Jewelry Festival. And this year this is the third season what we have started recently, which is going to be there till June 30th. It's called Bridal, and wherein we are showcasing different bridal concepts in terms of jewelry. Right from in Andhra communities, Andhra and Telugu, Muslim communities, North Indian communities, South Indian, Tamil, Kannada, Malayali, Christian communities. Every community has got their own preference and choice. So we have understood that, and we are showcasing that culture as well as the jewelry because it's our product and business, but then we are focusing on the culture also. We want to give that elevation and that importance to the culture of our country, which has got vast and lot of cultures are there. So we were trying to depict that, and successfully we have completed 2 seasons. The third season is started just now, which is going to be there till June 30th. And hopefully, and we have made some attractions, like we are giving free trips, honeymoon trips to the young married couples who are going to get married in this marriage season. For about 2,000 couples across India, we are giving them holiday packages in India as well as abroad. Just a gesture, and more importantly, we are focusing on making our culture very strong.